Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphones like pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. At the end of this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely without visiting any service center and without any other expenses. Okay. So you don't need any computer application to unlock your smartphone. By the sitting at home within 2 or 3 minutes, your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also give you what is the reason why sometimes these type of method don't work in your smartphone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than charge 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%. Okay, or you may also take help of your smartphone's charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then you may also take help of my next upcoming videos, or you may also take help of my older videos. And for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. You can see here my phone is showing here telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So firstly, I will have to switch off my phone's all network, and for this I will have to simply slide my phone downside like this. You will get a lots of keys on the display. You can see with me. Now you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate your flight mode option. After this, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network will be switched off. Okay, now after this your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every brand service center, okay, to close the background running application when your phone is locked. And these type of secret code update within 2 or 3 days. So what I'm going to give you, the secret code today is only valid for 2 or 3 days, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this secret code, then it's okay. Otherwise you may also take help of my next upcoming videos secret code. Okay, so how will you feed this secret code? Simply you will have to slide your phone upside and you will get a pattern lock here. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to pattern lock. Now you will get an option of an emergency SOS option. You will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will reach to a new page and your dialing pad will be open on your phone. You can see here. Now you will have to feed the secret code to close the background running application, and today's recent secret code to close the background running application is star 4 times 5, then star 2341, then sorry, just a minute, 2341, then star 000, then hash. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After call on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. So after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, I am going to give you a special USSD code which will reach you to the master unlocking mode page, okay, or it's also known as engineers mode. And this USSD code is star hash 899, then hash. Now you can see here, after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and this page name is after sales page. You can see with me. Now you will get a lots of option on this page, but you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page. You can see here the page name is software version page. Now you can see here the second option is showing here Android version, and my Android version is 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12. And if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, so I will have to click on this option 13 times but rapidly. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Okay, now the first step has been done, my friend. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test option above the software version. You can see with me. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and that page name is engineers mode page. Okay, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this, simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of others, which will comes at the end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here there are 5 type of options showing here on this page, but you don't have to go with any other option. What I am going to give you, you will have to go with only that option. You can see here at the 4th number, the option is showing here mainboard version. Okay, it may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version 9 times rapidly. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the second step has been done. Now you can see here at the second number, the option is showing here read write important log test. Now you will have to click on this option, and at the first time when you will click on this option, you will get an option to ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. At the second time you will have to do the same, and the third time you will have to again cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will go with this option, you will have to OK this option with the OK button. After giving this option to OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But before going to the last step, one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, that if you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock. So watch this video properly and follow the every step properly. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. You can see with me. See here there is an option of a device debugging option. Okay, now you can see here there are also lots of options on this page. Okay, now simply you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. So you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and that page name is sensor self test and calibration page. You will get a 3 type of option on this page. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all. All the option will be showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I'm going to click here. You can see with me. Test has been started but test failed. The second option, test has been started, test failed. The third option, test has been started but a single test passed message in green color has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone because my phone has been unlocked. Now what you will have to do with your smartphone, now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click here. You can see with me. Sorry my friend. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my smartphone when my phone was locked as it is as in my smartphone, you can see with me all the application like KineMaster, Instagram, all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works, and if your smartphone can unlock with the help of today's video, then give a like to this video. And if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment which type of issues you are facing. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.